Pwede mo beer, pwede mo
Resto bar na.
resto bar. Ganun. So may crispy kare-kare, crispy dinuguan.
Yung talaga yung ano. That's the real shit.
Bagnet. Mostly bagnet.
Pagnet.
Ay,
Yes.
malapit na bagnatan sa amin, dito sa Makati. Yung menu nila is puro bagnet na kung ano, bagnet na sigang, bagnet na ano.
Hello, Pagnet.
Ang sarap yung bagnet sila.
Wala, nakitrave ako bukas sa Pagnet. Ah,
Crispy bagnet. Ba't wala silang trace?
Awkward na katahimik. Gusto nyo ng ano, icebreaker?
no.
Ha? Ano sabi mo?
Joke lang, joke lang.
Nagsiserve sila parang walang trace. No? Bakit? I mean, don't tell me it's the Canadian culture.
Annoying ba?
Yeah, wala silang trace. Yung dumaan just now, yung plato nandito, may hawak siya.
Nag-break na.
Hindi kasi may dala akong cards.
Ayun, red
Oh, yung red flags. Oh my God.
Wala tayong mahanap na conversation.
Oh my God. Dala mo yan.
Di ba tayo marunong mag-interact right outside of work?
Yeah. Wala pa tayong ano.
It's really easy.
Oo nga, pag sino pinaka-red flag sa kanya yung point.
You set down like Okay, kasi yung concept ng game is take turns tayo. One person is single.
Everyone else has to convince may ireto kang tao, kunwari may ireto kang tao.
Uh-oh.
Pag yung kung bakit green flag ng ireto mo. And then,
White flag?
yan yung green flag.
with bacon?
So yan yung, example, maglalagay ng example Example si teacher dito, and then turn ko. Ito yung reto ko, owns an island in the Bahamas.
Ah.
So baka mayaman, ganyan. And then yun, so lahat tayo magbibigay ng white flag. And then,
Kaso hindi agad ilalagay yung red flag.
hindi agad.
Kasabay no.
The next turn, after lahat na nung naglatag ng white flag, maglalatag na ng red flag. Pero yung red flag na ilalatag mo, so for the next person, gusto kong siraan yung irereto mo. So, for example, yung teacher, you see white flag niya is spin instructor. I don't know what yung white flag. Yun yung white flag niya. Irereto mo sa kanya. Pero sinabi ko, pero yung first name niya is Poop. So after ng
Yeah,
ilalatag ng red
yes,
flag,
but ganun.
sino yung pipiliin niya out of everyone? And then, kung si teacher receive, sa kanya yung point. Gets ba? Pero,
Pero random ka.
kailangan ko i-look up ilang cards per person.
Ilan ba yung total?
Haluan mo nga ito.
Parang nga.
Pero sige, kumain ka muna.
Shuffle ka ng cards?
I-show na ni Teacher Jacob yung Magic the Gathering.
Oh my God, yung mga Magic the Gathering skills eh. I mean, we can go again.
No time blind talaga.
Ganun daw sa kapag ADC eh.
may red card na white yung parang may sinulat pa. Ano yun? You need to write a red flag? Meron ba?
Baka sa ibang... free for all.
So medyo powerful yung na card.
May went to the Epstein Island. Yung red flag niya.
Maganda pagbasa ng una.
So tinigilan.
Four white per card and three red flag cards in their hand with each card.
7.
Or four white, three red.
So, paano siya i-distribute ba?
Kaya kailangan dapat hindi nakakita. Like,
So, face down.
you shouldn't show people your cards.
Okay.
Kasi, ano siya eh. 4
Mystical.
white, 3 red.
Forward.
Oh, what are my red flags? Or white
Sino
flag?
yung unang tao? Who should be single first?
Magkano yun?
Ano yun for 3 red flags? Okay.
Who should be single first?
Nakalagay ba?
Okay, ikaw muna.
Ako na lang for obvious reasons. Own sa... Ooh.
Si Earl muna yung single top. So you don't need your cards because you're the single one. We have to convince you.
Okay.
Okay?
I'll be investigating. Ano yung order nyo, ano? Teacher? Jacob? Yan yung lechon baboy. Lechon belly. Oh my God. Oh, sige. Magkano yan? Magkano yan? 380? Yan ba yung 390? Sige, next time. Tignan ko yan.
Okay.
Pang mano. Mamadami siya for the portion.
Do you want to do it like this or like that?
Truffle shop.
Okay, truffle. Thank you.
Inside.
Yes, sige. Ano na lang, counterclockwise na lang, tapos pag ano.
So si Claude muna. So bibigay mo ng isang white flag.
Oo.
White flag.
Sino yung single?
Ako.
So, example, makuha niya yung akin.
Mga 4 minutes siya.
Paano if nakuha niya yung akin? Like, ano, nag-iba pipili siya at the end. So, example, pinili niya yung akin.
May point ka.
Okay.
Damihan to ng points eh. And then yung maganda dito, kung mas kilala mo yung tao, mas alam mo anong type na. And I think I got you.
Ano yung red flag? Nakikita ko lang talaga green. Ito, ayan. Sige, I gotta... I'll go na.
Okay, sabihin mo yung...
Very ano...
Okay.
Ito, i-drop ko ba?
Okay nga, ito
Ayan.
Okay.
Clear daw ng cancer, halip niya lang. Parang red flag siya actually.
Oo nga.
Their kisses cure cancer.
Pero
Okay.
medyo red flag siya kasi what if she needs to kiss everyone? You have to think about that. What if kailangan siya sa medical field?
Oo.
Hindi lang sa'yo yung...
Parang yung medical doctor siya. Di ba?
Yeah, pero like, do you want your girlfriend to kiss other
Pero kasi, nakakatulong din siya.
Parang may marketing to, ah. Magbenta niyo ako
Okay,
na.
yung sa akin.
Siyempre, hindi siya ganun
Wait,
ka, ano.
my turn.
Oh my God.
She's a best-selling author.
Uy!
Okay.
Kaya ano naman kung best selling ka?
Baka ano yung book niya?
Lahat naman pwede mag best selling author na ngayon.
Yeah.
Just saying.
New York Times
But
best.
she is.
Okay.
Ba't nakaka-cure
Of
ka
your
sa
favorite
akin?
Okay.
Okay.
Wait lang. So, ito pa lang yung white. Ito pa lang yung white cards. Tapos lalagay niyo ng red flags, right?
Sobrang tindi na
Pero
eh.
yung sabi yung price mo.
Hindi ko alam kung patanggihan ba ni teacher ano to
Yeah. What's that?
owns Mars.
Uy!
Elon Musk.
Or Elon.
Hindi ba kay
Ang
Elon?
Mars ba na to planet?
Pwede. Mars. Basta Mars lang. Mars lang. Mars lang.
Hindi nakalagay kung Mars ano ba yan. Planet.
Mars Cubao.
Yeah, sure.
Mars Cubao.
You wanna
Sige. Ano natin? Align natin
I
yan.
want to ano the egg.
Okay, go.
You're gonna
Oh, you can
pop
do it.
the
It's your
egg.
dish.
Okay. Choose one.
Hindi na siya fake na ba?
Is a
Hindi na siya
vampire.
kumikit. Actual
The
vampire.
sexy kind.
Yeah.
Ay, ang laki pala.
Mainit na may sizzling cake man. Baka
Ooh! Parang ano, gusto ko na kumain ah. Try it again, nawala eh.
Yung ano yung kay Rizzy?
The
Is
vampire, the sexy
vampire,
kind.
the sexy
Wait lang,
kind.
is this sexy like bodily or
Or-
medyo malimang may pagkahipon?
Or maybe, maybe,
Just defending my own.
Hindi na fake. Hindi na cosplay. Actual vampire.
okay, okay.
So hindi kasi malay mo hipon.
Sobrang kumbalik.
Ay, yan na nagpapa.
Maganda yun. Masaya yan.
Ano na? Red flag sabotage.
Red flags na, nako.
Wait, sino yung Cyclone?
Si Claude, bibigyan niya ako ng red flag. Ikaw, bibigyan mo si Claude.
Sige. Yung cards of which?
Bibigyan ko itong red flag.
Ikaw, si Rizzy.
And then, sino magbibigay sa akin ng red flag?
I-rebat mo dito.
Pero parang pwede naman yung red flag siya. Kung vampiro.
Ito. Red flag ba? Ito baka white flag to para sa'yo eh.
Tignan nga natin.
Truffles.
Ay, hindi. Saan yung sa'yo dito? Itong author. Na lahat naman pwede mag...
Best-selling author, huh?
Ito ayan no, not this one.
Wala kang
Ayan.
chocolate peanut butter.
Wala kang sarap.
Ma'am, sir, okay na po sa order. Complete order na po.
Yes po.
Na?
Yes po.
Thank you po.
Yeah, ito.
Ayan ito. Ears earmuffs whenever they hear a bad word. So, medyo may pagka-red flag din.
Alam, parati ka pa naman nagsiswear.
Oo nga, ayan. Like,
Smart like that.
pero kahit na. Kahit na.
You can do that. Like for the girl you love, you can stop swearing.
Pero kasi maging
What do you say
uncomfortable.
during bedtime then?
Oh.
During bed.
Wait, wala.
See, parang nawawala ng substance.
Wait lang.
Ano yung sinabi mo?
Anyway, yung kay Gigi Jacob owns Mars.
Okay. What's the answer?
It's actually two children stacked on top of each other
Ah.
in a French food.
Ano yun?
Yun yung parang
Dalawang bata.
may Mars.
Oo nga,
Literal.
ginastos niya lahat ng pera sa Mars. So red flag pa rin siya. Wait lang, dati hindi pala kita kinakapya.
Oo.
So lalagyan ko ng red flag.
Si Rizzy.
So vampire siya, diba? Sexy kind. So hindi siya magiging sexy kung merong 3-foot figure.
May point ka actually.
3-foot
Hoy,
fingernails.
ayun sa'yo mo bakla.
Oh my God.
Sabi niya,
Sige, I'll have a taste.
pwede ba nilito yung knife?
Ano ko ba ito?
Or may session content lang.
Jesus. Real food.
Hindi kasi ako nakinig. I mean, alam ko yung sinabi niya, pero intimidating. Do you wanna try chicken?
Ako, I'll try. Parang white meat na white meat. Sure.
Wait, do you want chicken?
Not the cards. Not the heart of the cards.
Ito.
Wait. Ako na.
Yan. Thank you. Ano, rotisserie chicken.
you. Thank you po. I-defend ko lang din yung nilagay ko. Di ba siya, ayaw niya ng ayaw niya makarinig ng swear words. What if, since best-selling author siya, yung focus niya lang nasa libro niya. Like all the time. Like, glued na sa,
And you have more time for your art.
Yeah, but wala kayong time for each other kasi nga nag-focus siya. At ayaw, meaning ayaw niya makarinig.
But she's in touch with her feelings.
No.
She's a writer.
No, she's
Creative
meaning ayaw niya na maingay. So what if gusto mo yung ganitong activity? Ba't ayaw niya? Kasi nga, nagra-write siya sa libro niya. Kaso,
So siraan pala to
talaga.
Pero,
Guys,
Wala
it's
pa siya
annoying.
nilalagay.
Ako. Their kisses cure cancer, pero they're the
Ano
the
to?
person you hated the most in high school. And literally has not changed ever.
Maganda siya kasi nga may lover-hate Enemies to lovers. Bakit?
Hindi, you don't know
Magandang
that.
trope yun.
Hindi
Bakit magandang trope yun? Enemies to lovers. Wala ko pa.
Alam niyo you wanna hear something? You wanna hear something?
Drop na naman.
Ne- Na-experience ko na to.
So wala na.
sino yung pipiliin mo?
Pero
Ano
dito,
ba? Hindi,
wala
have
kang time.
have I learned from my mistake or what?
No, you don't learn from your mistakes. So, piliin mo.
So you have to choose the vampire.
Or the Mars, the
Kasi it's normal naman eh.
The
Vampires
vampire.
with 3 foot fingers.
foot fingernails,
Pero imagine mo, nasa bed. So, ano yun? Sisipain ka niya?
Akala ko yung type
They
na
can
intellectual.
put it in-
Ha? Or, sino ba pinaka-intellectual dito?
Ako. Nakaka-clear ka.
Sa pieces, ew.
Kahit na, very siya, kailangan siya sa mundo,
She's necessary for people, but she's not necessary for you.
ano na lang sa'yo, hindi nga makafocus sa'yo eh.
You're just jealous na, siya, successful woman.
Oh, successful person.
Okay.
Alright.
Or pili na. Hindi ayusin mo. Wala.
What happens if I choose? Like,
The person you
Wins.
choose gets the point.
1 point.
6-7ing myself. Yan.
Nag-melt na yung ice cream mo.
Yeah.
Wala. Anong ice cream ba yan?
Vanilla.
Vanilla lang? Sige. May
Tsaka vanilla dito. Pero wala nakalagay. Inassume ko lang. Oo nga. Pag inosente siya, ayaw niyang swear word. Inosente siya. So, vanilla.
Amin yan.
Girl, in your heart, who do you think?
Pinapapressure ako
The
eh. No?
vampire lives
Pinapressure siya
forever.
ako.
But you will die. So, hanap niya ng bago.
Hindi. Everlasting love niya. Si Earl.
Pero you will die.
Okay.
Okay, I've made my decision. I will choose. Ito yung pinaka parang really considering everything
Pinakamagandang option niya.
I'm gonna go with si best-selling author.
I told you guys, I got the best card.
Hindi,
Wala siyang time sa iyo, sinasabi ko.
So, because of that,
Wala
I
rin
get just
yun.
1 red flag and I get 1 point. Yung iba, shuffle na lang.
What about yung cards ko? For the next
Gagamitin
na.
mo.
Sige.
So, because of that, si Claude na yung next.
Sige.
Yan, ako yung ako yung mamimili.
Wait, ang naisipin ko.
Oo nga, paano na yung sa cards niya?
Okay. I have the best. Pili ko manalo ulit ako.
Uh-oh.
I'm pretty confident in this one. Free for all siya.
Ooh.
Yung card na sasabihin ko, jowa mo ngayon.
Uh-oh. Personalan na.
Galingan yung red flag Tandaan niyo, nakapag-break na ako one time doon.
It means my chance. Ang sarap yung ice cream. What is this? Ah, it's kind of hard.
Crunchy something bar.
Is it some sort of cake?
Some sort of mousse apple.
Uy!
It's good. This is very rich. I like it. It's like eating a Snickers candy bar.
Whip na ano. Hindi, may peanut butter siya na parang Reese's or something. Right? It's very, thick.
Medyo red flag kasi itong white flag na to eh.
It's the best one.
Ay, medyo similar tayo sa William.
Can get you a table at any 5-star restaurant.
Ay, no reservation.
Dito mo lang
Hindi ka,
yun
hindi ka na maghihintay. Like, hindi ka na maghihintay ng pila.
Nagawa naman ng pamilya mo eh.
May point din.
Kahit na.
They'll get you a table.
Sige.
Wait, apat na white flag.
He-
Tatlong red flag.
He is driven for you. Whatever, you're not basing on you're not basing on looks. All of these superficial, 5-star restaurants, with the best hugs. It's physical. You're not a very touchy person. Fiercely loyal, pwede na rin. But driven, that takes passion. That takes a lot of
Drunk
charisma, diba? That takes a lot of
And you are
Huh?
driven.
May ano
Pero
yan.
yung mga driven, aggressive din yan.
May DUI yan.
Minsan malilimutan lang nila. Driven masyado.
Eh, paano kung driven siya sa iba?
Hindi yan driven, te. Bakit sinabi ba? For you?